Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Zoom account. So let's start. In the Zoom app you don't have the option to delete your account. So open a browser and go to zoom.us. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and tap sign in. Now sign into your account with your email and password. Once you are signed in, tap on Profile at the top of the screen. Now tap on Account Management and go to Account Profile. Here you will see the option Terminate my account. Tap on that. Now tap on Yes for confirmation. And your Zoom account will be deleted permanently. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.